Welcome back to another video, fam. Today we're gonna go ahead and work on the G35 and replace the HID lights with new LED lights from LASFIT. Our car is gonna go from a 2007 G35 to a 2022 G35. It's gonna be a big change. We're gonna go ahead and remove the bumper, take out the headlights, and then we're gonna go ahead and replace the LED lights. Let's go. So we got the package right here. There we go. We have them right here. It's a nice package, a nice box. LED lighting, LASFIT Pro. Right now they had a 10% off, so they came up to be around $233. Really worth it, honestly. Let's go ahead and open it. There we go, guys. We have it right here. The product manual. Got a couple of stickers, 10 horsepower each. The red one is 20. The actual LED lights. The coolest part about this product, the LASFIT LED lights, is literally a plug and play. We just gotta remove the HIDs, put the LEDs, slap it back on together, put it in the G35, and we're done. So it should take just a few minutes. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and start with the bumper. So here we have the headlights, guys. Now what we're gonna do is loosen up the ballast. Take this 3 Phillips screwdrivers out. We're gonna disconnect it from the main connections, and then we're gonna remove the HID bolt, and we're gonna install the new ones. This is literally a plug and play. So we're just gonna pass the line through inside. Look at the difference. That one has a whole ballast, a connection, and the HID and everything. And this shows how convenient LEDs are. Now this has definitely a fan because it definitely produces a lot of heat since it's brighter and way more powerful. So now we're gonna go ahead and install this inside. So first step, we have to separate the connector. Now we're able to pass this through the inside of the headlight housing up here, and then connect it to the LED light that's going to be connected and secure in place. Now, using the same bolts from the ballast, we're just gonna lock this in place and make the connection. That is super bright, but it was a plug and play. Just gotta make sure you're connecting everything in the right place. Well, there you guys have it. The LEDs have been installed. It was a super easy, super fast install. You just gotta make sure all your connections are fully plugged in and everything is connected correctly. Boys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to hit that like button. Comment down below if you guys have used LASFIT before or are planning to install LASFIT in your vehicles. I can tell you from my own experience from having LASFIT for the past 5 years on the vehicle, this has been great. Nothing but good quality, and the light output is still magnificent. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned on what happens to the G35 of the next episode of the KameGarage. Peace.